The packaging of this video did so well that bigger channels started copying him. First of all, its idea, title and thumbnail are what I call algorithm approved. The idea is good because it breaks the current trend of creating everything digitally, and by using an actor, it reminds people of how Hollywood movies were made, for example Gollum in The Lord of the Rings, but without the need to use a suit with 300 million sensors. By making it look simple, like you do not need a green screen or sensors, it will make people curious and excited because they will feel they are going to be able to do it themselves. One very catchy thing is that he decided to transform himself into a woman, which is a storyline that has been used in the past and that for sure generates clicks. Now the title. This type of title, as we can see on 1 of 10, has been used in the past successfully. Actually, it has been trending for over a year thanks to Callaway and many other channels. What I found out is that before him nobody applied it to its niche, and well, he being the first always does help. So my congratulations, because people started copying you, therefore you did something great. The thumbnail is working very well because it is a proven concept that has been working on YouTube and on diet ads. Well, I'm not in a very good shape right now, since before we were born, so people do not have to do any gymnastics to understand it. He tried 3 possible thumbnail combinations. This one looks boring as hell, looks unprofessional, looks from ancient times. This one is better, but there are 2 problems. Immediately you spot the friction of being forced to use the green screen, which not all people have, and I don't like the image on the left. It is boring. Because we watch from left to right, well, the left image needs to be interesting or people are gonna scroll past your video. The third one is the clear winner. The first thing you spot is a cool lady, then you realize she's doing the same hand gesture of the guy on the right. It's fun, you don't spot the green screen on the background, at least not immediately, and no need for any type of writing. Fun and easy to understand makes it the clear winner. Subscribe if you want me to analyze more packagings.